how to transfer crypto from Revolut X to external wallet. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut X to external wallet. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log into your account. Then, go to the crypto section from the main dashboard. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tap Send or Transfer and choose External Wallet as the destination. Now, open your external wallet, for example, Tangem, Ledger, or MetaMask, and copy its public address. Paste the copied wallet address into the Revolut withdrawal field carefully. Then, select the correct network, for example, BTC ERC20, that matches your external wallet. Now, enter the amount of crypto you want to send and review any fees. Finally, confirm the transaction with Revolut's 2FA security check, then wait for blockchain confirmation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.